Working a 9 to 5 just to pay for gas to get to that 9 to 5 is officially a broken system.
Hello everyone, I'm Denny, and today I'm giving you a complete, no-nonsense guide on how to build a real, fully automated work-from-home business using Sellvia.
No corporate fluff, no fake promises, just smart technology doing the heavy lifting while you live your life. Look, if you want to work from home, you need a system that actually scales. That's why we are looking at Sellvia. This isn't some unverified internet trend. It's an e-commerce ecosystem recognized by Forbes, ranked by Inc. 5000 as one of America's fastest growing companies, and trusted to launch over 1.5 million online stores. Together, store owners on this platform have already earned over $1.5 billion. Today, I'm showing you exactly how it works. The secret to a perfect work-from-home business is digital products. Why? Because there is zero shipping, zero inventory, and zero physical logistics. On sellviacatalog.com, you get instant access to premium guides, courses, and tools. Notice the pricing structure here. Every single product comes with a built-in 50% to 70% markup. When a customer buys from your store, the product is delivered to them instantly and digitally, and you keep 100% of that markup as your pure profit. Now, if you are worried about tech skills, don't be. Sellvia literally builds the store for you. This is your desktop dashboard. Your store comes completely ready-made, preloaded with these exact high-margin digital products and optimized to convert visitors into buyers from day one. You don't need to write a single line of code or spend weeks designing banners. It's a turnkey business ready to run from your laptop or phone. But how do you get customers without spending all day on marketing? Simple. Inside your dashboard, you use Sellvia Ads, a fully built-in automated traffic system. Forget complicated ad managers or fighting with changing social media algorithms. You just set a micro budget of $10 to $15 a day, and the platform automatically drives targeted buyers from Google and Facebook straight to your storefront. Running this entire automated business costs just $39 a month. That breaks down to about $1.30 a day. Honestly, it is cheaper than a single cup of coffee to buy back your time and start working on your own terms. Right now, Sellvia is offering a 14-day free trial, and they are throwing in a $40 ad coupon to launch your first campaign completely risk-free. Click the link in my description below. Claim your free store tonight and build your escape plan.
Like, subscribe, and tell me in the comments when your store goes live. See you next time.